Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I am going to be showing you how to get the initials from people's names in Google Sheets. So, I am just going to write in this box, just this equal sign, and then I am going to write this. Replaces text with regular expressions. Then in here, I'm just going to click on the name. If I can just click, okay. So A2. Oh my gosh, hold on. This should not. I'm just going to write A2 here, and then I am just going to type down a comma, a quotation mark, and whatever this is. Just see what I'm typing, and then this symbol, and I'm going to write A to Z, and again that symbol. Wait, no, not that symbol, sorry. And then this symbol again, and then a quotation mark, a comma, double quotation mark, and a parentheses. Then you're just going to press enter, and this can also be suggested, so you can either check mark this or double click or press control enter. I'm just going to click on the check mark, and then this will instantly do it for you. If you want to change the name, hopefully it'll change automatically. And that is basically it. That's how you can write down initials from a lot of people's names, as you can see. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!